This is not a recap for Monday, December 13th, but it is a help video for IXL H1. So if you are working on H1, then hopefully this will help you. And I'm going to use a calculator. So you can grab a calculator if you have one on your phone, or if you want to get another window. I have mine side by side here. And to change a fraction to a decimal, it's just division. It is the numerator divided by the denominator. So if I didn't know what 1/2 was, I could just do 1 divided by 2. Hit equals. So I put in 0.5. And then I'm going to do 1. Let's clear this over here. 1 is the numerator, 10 is the denominator. 1 divided by 10 is equal to 0.1. Negative 12 and 2/5. So it's going to be negative 12 point something. And I'm going to take the 2, clear this, 2 divided by 5 is equal to 0.4. So negative 12.4. 3, clear it, 3 divided by 4. So this is negative 0.75. Oh, let's see. I probably just typed it incorrect. Yeah, I put 0.075, so that was just a typo. Got it. All right, so this is going to be 34 point. And another way I can think about this is that 50, I can double it to 100, and so I can double that 9 to 18. So that's 1/8. Okay, so that's another way of thinking about it. And I'm going to do negative 1 divided, whoops, let's clear it. 1 divided by 5 equals 0.2. Negative 0.2. Clear it. 27. This is a good one to use a calculator on. 27 divided by 40. And this is negative 0.675. And let's see, we've got negative 8 and 7/9. Watch what happens when I do 7 divided by 9. Seven divided by 9 is 0.77 repeating. Negative 8.7 repeating is right there. And I have this one memorized, 0.25. You might have some of these memorized. And 2/3 is another one to get memorized. It's 0.6 repeating. Let me show you that. 2 divided by 3 is 0.6 repeating. That little 7 on the end is just a rounding. It would just be 6's repeating. So this would be 7.6 repeating. 3/4 is the same as 75 cents. Literally 3/4 is 75 cents. So this is negative 2.75 cents. And 1 divided by 6. Let's clear this. 1 divided by 6 is 0.16 repeating. So this is 99, and it's positive 99.16 repeating. That one right there. And 1/10 is 0.1, so this is 3.1. And 8 divided by 9. Anything divided by 9 is repeating that decimal, so it's 0.8 repeating. So 7/9 was 0.7 repeating. 2/9 is 0.2 repeating. And 8/9 is 0.8 repeating. All right, another good one to use our calculator for, 17 divided by 40. That's equal to 0.425, negative 3.425. Whoops. 0.425. Let's get this up to 90. How do you rewrite negative 3 2/3 as a decimal? 2/3 is 0.6 repeating, so negative 3.6 repeating. 5/8, good one to use on a calculator. 5 divided by 8 equals 0.625. 4.625. All right, 3/11 another really good one. Let's do 3. Who wants to divide 3 by 11 when you could just use a calculator to do 3 divided by 11, and that's 27 repeating. See how that 27 just repeats? And so it's 16.27 with a line over the 2 and 7, meaning that that's what's repeating. And 9 divided by 40, that's, I'm going to redo that because I don't recognize that, but I haven't done 9/40. So it would be the same, I guess there's no simplifying that. 9 divided by 40 is 225. All right, so it's 8.225. All right, and then 9 divided by 11. Let's do that. 9 divided by 11 is 0.8181818181. That's the one right there. And we're at 90. So that is how you convert a fraction to a decimal.